What if I told you that one simple mistake after a Turo accident could cost you thousands of dollars and leave you legally exposed? I'm about to show you the exact step by step protocol professional hosts follow to protect themselves and their wallets. Hi, I'm Luke Brooks, and I've been in this game long enough to see all the good, all the bad, and expensive. And if you're thinking about the hosting process, or you're already a host and want to avoid disaster, this video might just save you thousands. Before we dive in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you never miss strategies that could save you real money. And if you're serious about getting started, grab my book, Starting Out on Turo. It breaks down everything I wish I knew when I started. All right, let's get into it. So we got a few sections that we're going to start off with. So section 1 is the golden rule: always call the police. Rule number 1, and I mean non-negotiable, always call the police. I don't care if it's a tiny scratch or a bumper, a kiss, the phrase "it's just a scratch" costs hosts thousands. Without an official police report, you basically are showing up to a sword fight without a sword. Turo insurance companies deny more claims than you believe simply because there's no report. Some states legally review this report as a requirement. It's no small matter at all. And if you skip it, your claim could be denied outright. Imagine losing $3,000 for a bumper or $7,000 for a side panel, all because someone said, let's keep it simple. Section 2. People resist calling police. Now you're going to run into people who don't want to call the police. They'll say things like, we can handle this privately, or there's no need to make it a big deal. Sounds familiar. I've been part of that. Had a drunk driver hit me. Say, let's not make it a big deal. Well, here's the truth. When I say that they're protecting themselves, not you, they might be unsure, have suspended license, or don't want to have their insurance skyrocket. And here's what happens when you listen: they disappear, change their story, or deny everything later, and suddenly you're stuck with the bill. Also, red flag. We're talking about red flags. Say red flag 1. If you're pushing to keep it off that record, they probably have something to hide. Don't fall for it. Now, let's roll into section 3: specific protocols by Turo. Now, let me talk about what Turo specifically expects you to do as a host. The first 24-hour rule: you must report the incident within 24 hours. Miss that window and your claim is toast. I've seen hosts lose $5,000 over a 25-hour report. Second, photos. And I mean lots of them. Think about you being a detective. Capture damage that has happened on multiple angles of both cars, license plates, street signs, weather conditions, everything. Paint this as if you're painting this for Stevie Wonder and Ray Charles, to be exact. The third thing I want to bring up is verify the guest. Always get the photo of their driver's license next to their face. That extra step will save you tons as a host when it comes to fraudulent claims. And one more thing: never admit fault at the scene. Your job is to gather fact, not assign blame. Leave that to the professionals. And that's going for our guests here. Speaking of professionals, if you want the exact template and system that I use to document everything correctly, check out my full Car Share Genius course. It's going to link down below. It's going to walk you through every step. So as we continue, let's go into section 4: host mistakes that kill claims. Let's be real. Most denied claims are because one simple mistake. Hosts make it. Mistake number 1: reporting too late. If you report on a day 2, you might as well light your payout on fire. Mistake 2: weak photo evidence. A blurry shot of a damage isn't going to cut it. And mistake number 3 here is not verifying who has been driving. If anyone else has been behind the wheel and you didn't check, good luck with your claim. Mistake number 4: filing unrealistic claims. If the damage is less than 3 inches, Turo may deny or downplay your payout. Mistake number 5, taking cash settlements. If you accept $200 on the spot, you could be waiving thousands in your insurance coverage. Always keep everything on the platform. So they say let's talk on the phone, don't do it. If you want to have a talk, let's talk in the chat group here in the Messenger app. Now, let's talk about insurance, the part that most hosts never fully understand. Turo offers different types of insurance packages, or I would say protection packages. This is offered to the host and this is offered to the guest. You have to gauge that. Now, we have a video that we'll put at the end that will explain more into that, but you definitely don't want to play around with your insurance. Now, when it comes to being offline, you got to get your private insurance. Now, if you're using your private insurance, you need to know what applies and what does not apply. Policies don't cover peer-to-peer rentals, so don't assume that you're protected. So when it's on a rental, that's on Turo. If it's off, it's on them. Now, if you have other drivers uninsured, which happens more often than you think, you're going to be having to rely on the entire Turo's coverage system and documentation. Bottom line is that file everything through Turo's official channels, off the record deals, and with the host, so you don't walk around with empty pockets. Section 6, step-by-step checklist. Let's wrap this up with a quick action checklist. Step 1, ensure everyone is safe. Step 2, make sure they call 911, no exceptions. Step 3, document everything: photos, location, weather, damage, and people. Step number 4, collect information but do not admit fault. Step number 5, contact Turo within 24 hours. Step 6, follow up and track your claim. Here's the truth: accidents are a part of the game, but they don't have to bankrupt you. If you follow this protocol, you will be protected yourself, legally and financially, every single time. If you got value from this, hit that like button and share this with another host who needs to see it. Want to hear from you. Have you ever been denied a claim on Turo? Drop your story in the comments. Also, don't forget, if you want to start a strong business, you don't want to be making rookie mistakes, then grab my book, Starting Out on Turo. It's right over here. You can get this as well too, and also the course, Car Share Genius. You don't want to miss out on this, guys. This will get you in the right direction. Oh, and before you go, watch this next video where I break down the best GPS trackers for Turo cars. It's packed with tools that will save you time and money and headache. Until then, guys, my name is Luke Brooks. I hope that this helps you out. I'll see you on the other side. Take care.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is where we do everything for everyone on Car Share Genius. All right, guys. I'll see you soon.